Everyone knows that exercising is good for health. But what exactly does it do to our body to make the grueling effort that we have to put into it worthwhile? Let's take a look at what science has to say and if the research inspires you to work out or not. Welcome all the freak and fits to our new episode. Today we will tell you what have happened to our body when we are exercising regularly. As it takes a lot of effort to work out regularly, so outcomes should also be of that worthwhile. So let's see what science tells us. Those who are new to our channel, please subscribe it now and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, as it will help you to remain connected with the freak and fits. Number 1. Brain. When you work out regularly, the brain gets used to this frequent surge of blood and adapts by turning certain genes on or off. Many of these changes boost brain cell function and protect from diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or even stroke, and ward of age-related decline. Number 2. Heart. When you exercise, heart rate increases to circulate more oxygen at a quicker pace. The more you exercise, the more efficient the heart becomes at this process. So you can work out harder and longer. Eventually, this lowers resting heart rate in the fit people. Number 3. Lungs. Your body may need up to 15 times more oxygen when you exercise. So, you start to breathe faster and heavier. When anyone exercises regularly, then the muscles of the rib cage assist the diaphragm to pull it up to 15 times more oxygen than at rest. Breathing gets faster but also deeper. Number 4. Skin. As you pick up the pace, the body, like any engine, produces heat and needs to cool off. The blood vessels in the skin dilate, increasing blood flow to the skin. The heat then dissipates through the skin into the air. Your 2 million sweat glands can produce 1.4 liters of sweat per hour. Waste heat is carried away by the latent heat of evaporation as it dries. Number 5. Muscles. As you exercise, the large muscles in your arms and legs squeeze the veins running through them, pumping blood back to your heart. When we exercise, a tiny tears form in the muscles that help them grow bigger and stronger as they heal. Soreness only means there are changes occurring in those muscles, says bone, and typically lasts a couple of days. Number 6. Bones. High impact and weightlifting exercises simulate bone formation and reduce the rate of calcium loss as we get older. Exercising puts extra weight on the joints, sometimes up to 5 or 6 times more than your body weight. So friends, what do you think? Is regular exercise worthwhile? Before taking decision something more, I want to add, exercise diverts blood from your liver and digestion system to your skeletal muscles. Hormones tell the body to convert fat into glucose, reduce the pain you feel, and improve your mood. Muscles generate lactic acid as a byproduct of intensive exercise, and as this builds up, the pH of the blood around the muscles drops. This drop in pH eventually prevents the muscles contracting further. At this point, you need to rest to allow the lactic acid to be metabolized. So I wish this video would make you understand all the things that happen to our body when we exercise. It will certainly inspire you to work out regularly if you are not doing it now. Regular exercise of 30 minutes can certainly give you a healthy and much happier life. So, wish you all a very happy life. Whoever is still not subscribed our channel, why not? Subscribe now and must click on the bell icon.